Good morning. It is Friday, the 21st of June. We are still in Switzerland. My name is Liam. I film myself every day, and today has been already. I've had maybe fucking 4 hours sleep, if that. It'd be nice. There was a ridiculous storm last night. Anna likes the window being open ever so slightly just to get air in, and it is quite nice, to be fair. Just not when there's a storm brewing and the window's getting battered.
It wasn't even the window, it was the shutter.
It was the shutter outside, yeah. I had to apologise to Anna because, you know, when you're just raging when you're asleep and you just get up to do something, you don't think. Well, I got up super quick and scared the shit out of Anna, so sorry again. Yeah, and then basically just slammed the window shut, and then Anna was like, "It's actually the gate outside, so I'll close that." They closed it for us. But aye, we've had breakfast. We've seen cows getting transferred from one field to another. That was mental. And now we're going to go see a big cave. That drive never gets boring. We've done it 4 or 5 times now.
Yeah, there's always different views.
You always see something different. And because Anna and I are switching sides now because I'm a shite bag and scared of the heights, I'm now seeing things that I've never seen and Anna's only seen, and Anna's seen things I've only seen and she's not seen. So it's really cool.
And it's still the oh look on your side kind of situations. Because I missed the coos that were right next to the street.
We are now heading to this cave. It's apparently got a waterfall that's 77 metres tall.
Yep, that's what the internet says.
So, Anna. So yeah, let's go see this waterfall. Well, the cave and the waterfall. We have discovered the cave, so let's go explore. It is actually pretty chilly. There's a huge temperature drop, huge. It's quite refreshing. I've been in here for 2 minutes and I've already banged my head. That bloody hurt. Really hurt. I think we are approaching the giant waterfall, at least from the signs of it. So I'm gonna try and capture my reaction to this, because this thing's meant to be massive. Sorry if you can't hear me, but I'm quite excited. So loud. Really loud. That was hands down one of the best experiences of my life. I don't know how else to word it, but that was amazing. Definitely recommend. Here's the map. So if you're ever in the area, just pop in, eh? The cave, as I was saying, was amazing. But it is now time to go get some more shopping. We didn't really have much room in the car after yesterday.
Yep.
So we're gonna go get a little bit more.
Check out Aldi, Lidl.
Yeah, we're gonna check out a familiar site, Aldi. Well, we went over to Lidl to check that out, and they had like bin bags. They were big bin bags, but for 10 of them was 34 like Swiss francs, which is basically like 38 euros. So that's nearly like that's a lot for a bin bag. But we got garlic bread, so we're happy. I think we're going back home now, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's get back home. And we made it back home. We drove through the clouds again. The clouds are invading us. They must have enjoyed dinner last night. But it is time for us to chill for a couple hours before food, and then just see where the night goes. I'm shattered. I didn't get my sleep last night. But today has been amazing. Honestly, like, so much fun. Yeah. A memory I will cherish forever. Dinner was banging. We had, what was it, like, steak, like lamb chop type things? I don't know.
Yeah.
Meat. We had meat. Garlic bread and peas, which was banging.
Like, it's impressive. My mom even makes peas in a way that they're better than everybody else's.
Yeah.
And it's literally just heating up peas.
I mean, she'll do her magic, like adding butter and spices and that jazz. Bye. We're back up in the room because we're both very tired. We never got much sleep last night. We have been watching a lot of the Euros. Oh, excuse me. Been watching a lot of the Euros these last few nights. Mainly because of like Germany, Scotland, Poland, with Ivona. But I think tonight, like, it's the France-Netherlands game. And to be honest, from what I have seen, it's been an amazing game so far, but just too tired. So we're coming up. We're gonna probably play some Isaac, nice and chill, and then probably go to bed, because it's been quite a long day. A great day, but a long day. So.
My mom put this in her status. What's up?
Amazing. We got like some pictures. Like, just awesome. Aye. I'll say goodnight to you, presumably like now. And just, it isn't time for bed. You guessed it. I just got whacked in the face by Anna's mum. She would try to give me a cuddle.
It's almost as if clumsiness runs in the family.
Yep. You had a bit of a chat. I say that I sat and listened and tried to understand. I kept up with the topics at least. But it isn't time for bed. I'm exhausted. Plans for tomorrow seem exciting. However, they may change because it is very weather dependent. So we will need to see. And you guys will need to see by tuning in tomorrow or whenever it comes out. It might even be in a couple hours from now. But stay tuned, subscribe, ding dong that bell, and I'll see you soon.